Shenzhen Haojun Printing Company, established in 2009, is a professional manufacturer engaged in the research, development, production, sales, and service of paper packaging box such as cosmetic box, rigid folding box, candle box, toy box, corrugated paper box, and etc. Let's go and see it. We will supply much better products with diversified designs and professional services. We welcome OEM orders and we also welcome small orders. We have a very professional sales team which can offer you the best service and reply your questions immediately. So you will feel very comfortable when you buy products from us. Our company has been trying our best to build a very professional and high caliber service team which can solve all problems immediately. We own advanced and modern equipment that is well maintained. Our equipment includes CTP machine, punching machines, automatic PP lamination machines, printing machines, fusing machines, V-slot machines, patching machines. We are the source factory and we can provide the highest quality and the most competitive price. Please contact us for a quote. Looking forward to cooperating with you.
Ether.com. Make global trade easier.